Here at the Audubon Society of Rhode Island, we know there's no doubt this past year has been tough on us all. With businesses closed or at lower capacities and enforced social distancing everywhere we go, it is sometimes hard to not be overwhelmed by feelings of anxiety and isolation. As people everywhere attempt to find some form of solace, many of you have looked towards nature and getting outdoors in order to relieve yourselves from the stresses of the day. Tell us, how does being out in nature make you feel?
Great. At peace or peaceful.
I think peaceful is an excellent word for it.
Just very satisfied.
Fantabulous.
Since the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic, there has been a huge leap in the popularity of hiking trails, including Audubon wildlife refuges, as well as bird and wildlife watching. Why is this? Well, studies have shown that humans intuitively know that being immersed in the natural world provides both physical and mental health benefits. The European Center for Environment and Human Health conducted a study and found that those who spent 2 hours each week in parks, nature preserves, and other natural spaces experienced better health and feelings of psychological well-being than those who did not. While being immersed in nature or experiencing wildlife, you can experience a multitude of benefits, such as lower blood pressure, lower stress hormone levels, increased self-esteem, improved mood, reduced anxiety, enhanced immune system function, less aggression, eased symptoms of ADD, improved sleep patterns, increased energy levels, reduced feelings of isolation, promoted sense of calmness, and can accelerate recovery from illness and surgery. Who can deny those amazing benefits? Plus, these benefits can only increase when you start to become more actively engaged in the natural world. Going out and learning more about how to identify birds and their habitats is a great way to keep your brain active. Finding hidden birds and getting binoculars focused on them before they disappear can also help improve your reflexes. Never mind other aspects such as improved physical fitness from walking the trails, the patience gained from waiting to see the birds come around, and the friendships formed while birding with other people of all ages. Just listen to what these avid bird watchers have to say about it.
Getting out in nature to bird watch, it takes you to, especially in Rhode Island, it takes you to areas that you may not have seen in the past. It's all new terrains, meet people who have a similar interest. It's wonderful.
I just love going to all the new and different places, and just being out in nature all the time. It just gives you a sense of serenity, and it's just a really nice relaxing thing to do.
Just connecting with nature. Well, especially the bird walks give me something to look forward to every week when not too much else going on.
Once you're outside, there's so many other things to soak in. The sunshine, the wind, the way the wind feels on your skin, the sounds. You're more tuned into your environment.
Just being in the quiet brings you down to what's really important, especially after a year like this. It's been really special to get out and be out of the house and see all the little secrets nature has. It's exciting.
It gives me a reason to get up, get moving, get exercise, and it just gives me something to look forward to.
It just is really relaxing and just gets you connected with nature.
It's clear that there are so many reasons why you should be getting outside. On April 1st, you can give back to these outdoor spaces and the wildlife that call them home by supporting Audubon. We're joining United Way and the incredible community of Rhode Island nonprofits during 401 Gives, the statewide day of giving, and so can you. Your generous 401 Gives donation will help to maintain and preserve the Audubon trails and refuges that keep Rhode Islanders healthy, active, and connected with the outdoors. Celebrate nature by joining the 401 Gives movement on April 1st.